I'd like to tell you the story of the eyes that changed my world.
Remember these eyes. Remember all the details in these eyes. Okay.
Here we go. Ready? I think I'll give you guys a little here. Oh shit. Look at that. Dude, it's fucking beautiful. I can handle my freestyle too. I mean, it gets a little jittery and shit, but whatever. It's fucking still better than analog. I don't care what anybody's doing. Well, if anybody's wondering, this is not my car. I do not own a Mercedes. Just driving it for now. He's actually a rightful owner tomorrow after I'm done working. Wow. God, it's beautiful. The clarity is just like night and day. I've got I think the TBS, I don't know which fucking BTS it was in this thing before, but it was a TBS. And it was like the biggest one that they had. And I liked it, it was clear. But man, this is absolutely stunning. And it's a fucking cloudy day. They got a storm coming. So, okay, so the Topa Institute, which is where I'm flying. Right over this way. See? It's right there. They used to have a beautiful road course. I guess it got burned down. Fire. I went up there and asked him about it. He was like, yeah, it burned down. You go up there if you want. I was like, oh man. There's no point in going up there now. That was the coolest part. Why does it get so blurry right here? Ew, look at that. Is it because my head's down? My head's not down. Do I need a patch antenna? Are you guys telling me I need a patch antenna now? I like these LEDs. I'm hooked. Thank you, Walksnail, for revitalizing my enthusiasm for FPV. You guys want to check out the sheep? And let them out here so they can eat all this shit up. It's brilliant. Fire. There's a black sheep. You see that? I don't want to do this guys so much longer. God, it's so beautiful. Alright, time to land. Yeah. Walksnail. Good as shit.
Defunct.